Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host, Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, we're going to check out these Bluetooth wireless headphones from Edifier. Stay tuned. So here they are. These are the Edifier W800BT stereo Bluetooth headphones. They do have a few colors of this model actually too. They have black, white, and red. And honestly, I was actually looking for a red set of headphones for myself specifically, and I came across these for my gaming channel. My new logo consists of a lot of red, so I want to have a little bit of red on stream. So I thought having some red headphones would be good for the stream as well. So that's why I picked up these. And I wasn't looking to spend anything over $80 probably. And in fact, I would guess these are probably like the entry level, the budget range headphones. So when you're pricing headphones, it really depends upon what you're looking for and what features. I knew I wanted red and I wanted Bluetooth wireless as well. And I came across these. Now, the more expensive you get, of course, the better quality build of headphones you're going to find, the better sounding headphones you'll find, the longer lasting headphones you'll find. But after a certain point, it's all really diminishing returns from there. So this is actually my first pair of headphones that are Bluetooth. I do have some earbuds from Bose, and those are really good. But I wanted some headphones again for my gaming channel, so I got these. These are a 40mm large driver units delivering hi-fi sound stage, lightweight and simplistic ergonomic design, Bluetooth 4.0, of course, technology. There's a lithium-ion battery, which gives you 75 hours of playback and 800 hours of standby, so that is really good for the battery. Also some buttons for volume control, playback control, and answering calls as well. What I like with these actually too is besides wireless Bluetooth, you can also connect them with a 3.5mm cable. That's also included in the box too, so it's kind of a cool little addition. I was actually surprised. I didn't actually realize that until I got them, but that's also included in the box. And of course, it says soft leather ear cups for great comfort and noise isolation. I don't really like the big ear cups very much. I've had a few headsets, and I still use them time to time with big ear cups, but these are a bit more minimal, and I like that better, I think. So it really depends what you're looking for as far as headphones go. But for entry level, the Edifier brand seems to be pretty solid and good. Lots of good reviews on Amazon as well, where I got this for less than $40, $39.99. So here's the box. And again, I wanted red. That was the main priority for me at the time of searching for headphones. So I picked up these. Let's unbox these and check them out. So let me know in the comments below if you ever used Edifier products before. So at the top here we have a little box. This will consist of some of the cables. Of course, charging cable. We have a little pamphlet here of instructions, pretty much. Nothing extraordinary there. Now this is just the black USB charging cable. Pretty standard. It's about maybe 3 feet long, so not a bad length on that. That's included for charging. Okay, so here is the red cable I saw earlier. This is the 3.5mm jack. That goes, of course, into your gaming controller, your gaming console, or your PC. So I do like the option of hooking up wired because, well, let's face it, Bluetooth wireless technology is not always 100% reliable with interference or disconnections once in a while, but that's kind of a cool feature having this addition to it too. And this is a nice rubbery kind of cable. It looks pretty long too, in fact. Let's take this off. I would gather it's more than 3 feet. Yeah. It's a good arm's length, so I'd probably say it's over about 4 feet or so, so a good long cable. So that way you can, of course, connect to your PC or whatever. You don't have to worry about being too close and yanking the cord out. That would not be good whatsoever. All right, and now for the headphones themselves. So here they are, pretty nice red color. Again, red was the key to me as far as getting these. But they have other colors, so they have black and the silver or gray in this model. So off the get-go, the build quality for the price seems pretty good. They're fairly light, and they have nice padding up here on top. The cups have nice padding too. Of course, you have extensions here as well to fit your head a lot better. Here's where your 3.5 millimeter goes in for connecting directly to your laptop or gaming console. Other side is your USB connection for charging. We have some buttons here, plus and minus for volume or playback controls right there, and on-off switches over here. Also, the same button I think would be used for answering calls, if I'm not mistaken. There's two little dots here. I believe that might be for a microphone. I don't know 100% sure. The description doesn't mention a microphone at all, but I wouldn't doubt them having a microphone due to the fact you can take calls with them. Otherwise, you have to resort to your built-in microphone on your laptop or computer or an external mic or whatever. So other than that, though, I must say they are very comfortable. And I like the fact that they're not totally encompassing your ears too much. I don't like headphones that totally block out the outside world and sounds and noises. I like being at least alert a little bit so they don't totally muffle all the sound out, but maybe a preference for me and not for you. But other than that, for 40 bucks here, Edifier, these are pretty solid headphones here for the budget level. So let me know in the comments below what you think, if you ever tried Edifier before, and thanks for watching. And that wraps up this episode of the Tech Eddy Show. Let me know in the comments below what headphones you use yourself. I'm very curious about that. And also, if you ever tried the Edifier brand before. Hit that like button for the episode, give us your comments, and subscribe. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddy Show. We'll see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.